Each time the software is updated, it is accompanied by a document that provides a summary of changes and additions. The process of viewing the history of these update documents is explained here. Click on Utilities. Click on View Update Document. The documents are listed, along with the version number, update, and release dates. It starts with the last update document. To view any document, select from the list. Click on Show. The document opens in the browser. In some cases, there may be reference links to view the original notifications, etc. Once it has been viewed, either minimize or close the browser window. Click on Close. Thanks for your time. Hope you found it useful.